Here's another tool I've developed here to illustrate how directional overcurrent is performed. Here you've got a polarizing voltage that is taken from the healthy phase. For a C phase to ground, for example, you take the VAB healthy phase as a polarizing quantity. You'd have to shift it so that the polarizing voltage is in line with the faulted current. So this here just shows how the X/R ratio influences the faulted phase. And then you'd have to have the RCA, the characteristic angle, being shifted so that the polarizing voltage shifts to be in line with the current so that you've got the maximum torque. Obviously, all these are legacy from the electromechanical days. Most of the numerical relays nowadays are maximum torque, as it were, 180 degrees plus or minus 3 degrees. So, but yeah, this is interesting to see and grasp what is behind these directional overcurrent relay. Just have a play with it. You can see that it's obviously the same for all the other phases. You can have a play with it and start understanding these principles.